Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2015 Kenworth W900 factory built glider kit day cab to show you. It's built with a pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 10 speed, and only 210,000 original miles. Got in hot this morning. Gonna do a full walk around, show you underneath, show you the frame rails, blow by and finish up on the inside. Let's go ahead and get started. This is a Southern truck, so there's no rust. Blow by looks great. We've just got this one in here, but that'll get repaired. It's either that front cover or possible head gasket leaking oil in the front corner there. If you're familiar with Detroits, they're prone to leak right there. Body looks great. The only paint scratches right there on this corner. It's not deep. It is just paint. No body work. Headache rack and wet kit as well. All aluminum wheels. Interior's nice and clean. Extended cab gives you some nice additional room in this day cab. Here's your PTO wet kit tower. Extra gauges. It does have an ABS light on that'll get taken care of as it runs to the shop as well. See the operating temp is up. Oil pressure on the low side is phenomenal for a Detroit. Super smooth through the RPMs. And your oil pressure climbs extremely nice there. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call. 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.